You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
These are the produce that we got from the farmer's market, and this one is a olive bread and some heirloom tomatoes, berries, huge lemons. These are they say it's the orange and tangerine mix, so these are super good. Some fresh eggs and onions, cilantro, and some flowers. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Cheryl here. So today it's going to be a vlog type of video. A couple of things I want to do. One of the things is to organize or just say redecorate the shelf behind me. I have this bookshelf from IKEA. Recently realized there's so much stuff on the shelf. It is functional but not necessarily pretty in my opinion, so I just want to make things, you know, organized and pretty looking. So this is the before. I actually did try to organize some stuff into these like storage baskets just for easy access, but the thing is that there's so many colors going on. It's not what I want it to look like. So my theme, I want it to be rustic boho vibe, and this one is kind of like all over the place. So yeah, I can't wait to see how this transforms.
First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close, and my heart fills up with butterflies. And then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got, don't break my heart.
So there's some decor that I got for bookshelf styling in the bookend that I got from, what was it from? Marshalls? I think it's TJ Maxx. So I got it from TJ Maxx. These beautiful bookend. Also, I got another like super cool vase, and this is kind of like a terracotta with minimalist design. So I thought it's pretty like cool. It's a file. I'm just gonna put it here. And things will change, you know, it's not just like fixed. I like switch things up and take a look at it, see if it works. So I'm just gonna continue putting stuff up.
Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got, don't break my heart. 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 Just say that you won't go and break my heart.
have a marble cheese board, and I'm just gonna put it on the bookshelf to create this clean slate, so I can, you know, put some of the candles, some like knickknacks on there, just for like a display and decor type of thing. Maybe here. Don't know where to put it yet. This looks cool. Just like little decor pieces. Just small little knickknacks.
It was in the air that night, and in the way you look at me, I get nervous when you get close, and my heart fills up with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless. My world turned.
After, you know, redecorated and just restyled this bookshelf, let me just show you. On the left, this is a picture frame of me and my husband. I have this tray of, you know, just all these beautiful stones, and I have like coffee table books, some plant, and the bookend that I talked about, some more books that I love. This candles that I love has this message of free your mind, you know, just like a constant reminder of get out of your head. And then I have more decor here. This vase I just recently got. And this ornament that my mother-in-law got us, super cute. Aloha. One more coffee table book. And then underneath, that's the receipt box. Since the receipt box is like black, you know, it doesn't really go well with the rustic boho vibe that I'm going for with this shelf. I just put underneath like a foundation, like a base, so it doesn't really matter. And this one is just like a CZ plant. It's my favorite plant, and I use another small book. Just use it as like a base. And here I have my basket of, you know, other favorite books. I thought, you know, just stacking them like this is kind of cool and just like not so boring way of organizing. This bookshelf is not just for decorative purpose. I do have my printer on the third shelf because just to keep it functional, next to the printer will be 2 storage baskets and more storage basket just for like all the stuff that, you know, sometimes we need.
In this dynamite castle, you will never be